Okay, it's so crazy that I want to start vlogging. So, I've been wanting to vlog for a little bit, but I haven't ever done it. I feel like I do a lot of the same things every day, so it might not even be fun, but I think we're gonna try it out. I also don't have a camera, so I'm turning my iPhone sideways. So I have to wrap these presents. They're mainly for my boyfriend and he comes home tomorrow, so I want to get them wrapped tonight. And I know I'm gonna put on a Christmas movie and I still need to make dinner. I think that's about it for right now. So I thought I'd film me wrapping presents and we will go from there. Let me get everything set up for wrapping and then I am going to plug my phone in for a little bit because it is about to die. Oh, that was so hard to set up. I have to use my big tripod because that, and then my phone is going crazy because it's sideways. I'm about to see what's on YouTube TV. Oh, my boyfriend's calling me. Okay, I got everything to wrap presents. I just put on Freeform's 25 Days of Christmas, and it's Home Alone right now, but then after this, I think, what is it, Dashing Through the Snow? I feel like I watched that last year, I can't remember, but then later, the OG Grinch comes on. That's my fave. I only have 4 presents to wrap. This one is for my dad. This one's for my boyfriend. It's a new water bottle. He wanted the Walla one. This is for my boyfriend. Him and I's favorite movie is Cars together. And then he wanted this cologne. I cannot tell you if this smells good or not, but I got this for him. I really wanted to take the plastic off of it and smell it, but I'll just wait and smell it the day of. So I'm gonna wrap those. My girl cat is obsessed with ribbon. I cannot pull this stuff out without her wanting to play with it. It just reminds me so much of when she was a kitten and she would play with like any string or shoe ties. She's so cute, I can't. Oh, you are too cute, man. Okay, let's go put all these under the tree. Okay, just put all of them under the tree. I'm gonna start making dinner. Since my boyfriend's not here, I'm having my type of girl dinner. It's just recipes that he won't eat, so I have them when he's not here. First ingredient, protein pasta. This is the best, not the penne though. I like the bow tie, but penne will do. This recipe that I'm making, I found it on, I want to say Pinterest or TikTok, one of the two. And it's like a protein buffalo chicken pasta. Is that how you say it? Yeah. Protein buffalo chicken pasta. It is so good. My sister tried it and she didn't like it. So I'm like, also I'll have this video so she can make it at home. So first ingredient, this. Specifically, all of these ingredients are very specific. Second specific ingredient is this, the 5%. Yeah. Some sort of mozzarella or Parmesan cheese, and also some chicken breast chunks. Now, these are not my favorite. They're good, but my favorite is the Tyson grilled chicken breast cubes. Those are the best for this recipe, in my opinion. Now, keep in mind, this was my hyperfixation meal for like 2 months. I ate this every single day, and I feel like I still eat it. I haven't got the ick with it yet. Yeah. Obviously, the buffalo sauce. Filling the pot with water. So this, because I was eating this every single day, I do the steps of this really specific. So I'm one of those people, I have to use the scale because my eyes are bigger than my stomach. So I'm gonna do a serving of this, which is 56 grams. With the empty bowl, I'm gonna measure out another serving size, so 4 ounces. 4 ounces of this. Okay, so I'm gonna pop this in the microwave for like 2 minutes. I get another bowl to make the sauce in. So I'll do like 80 grams of this. And then I don't measure this. I do a heavy pour of this. That's how it's looking now. Last thing I add in the sauce is just pepper. Now that the chicken's out, I'm gonna cut it into like little pieces. This is how it's looking now. The only seasoning that I add to it is just this Tony's original seasoning. Now we just wait for the noodles to cook and then I'll be back. I switched to this side of the kitchen so that I can show in the next steps. I'm gonna strain all the water out of this. I'm gonna add in the chicken. We're gonna add in the sauce. And then lastly, I'm gonna add in the cheese. So I'll maybe do like that much. Okay, and that is how it looks. It is so good. I'm just gonna eat my dinner, and I think that's all. I know the Grinch is about to come on, and then I'm gonna get in bed and call it a night because I have to be at work in the morning. If you stayed this long, thank you for watching. I'm excited. I wanna keep doing little vlogs and stuff. Yeah.